In our last video, we have compared the top contenders for the budget flagship phone in the market, Poco F1 versus OnePlus 6T. My choice for the best budget flagship is OnePlus 6T. That is why I ordered one, and in this video, we'll unbox my own OnePlus 6T. Before we start, just a reminder to please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you will get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. My name is Rudin VS. Welcome to my channel TechMarise. Let's start. Inside the box, we have our phone OnePlus 6T, a TPO case, a SIM ejector tool, dash charger, and USB-C to 3.5mm converter. Let's look at the main specification about the phone. The phone comes in 6 or 8 GB of RAM with 128 or 256 GB of storage. The variant currently I have is a 6 GB mirror black with 128 GB of internal storage. The phone is priced at Rs 37,999. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 845 chipset. The screen is a Full HD Plus Optic AMOLED display. The battery is a 3700 mAh, which is expected to give 1.5 days of battery backup on moderate usage. The operating system is Oxygen OS powered by Android Pie. The phone does not have a 3.5mm audio jack. The audio output is via C-type port available on the bottom. There is a dual grill on the bottom of the phone, but only one is having speaker in it. The main attraction of the phone sits behind the screen of the phone, the in-display fingerprint scanner. It is not as fast as the physical readers, but it is fast enough. We have two SIM card slots. Both will support VoLTE. We don't have a microSD card slot here, but with 128 GB storage, that's not going to matter a lot unless you shoot a lot of 4K videos in your phone. Talking about shooting videos, let's look at the camera. The camera in the rear is a 16 megapixel primary and 20 megapixel secondary, having 1.7 aperture with optical image stabilization. In the front, you have 16 megapixel primary shooter, which sits in tiny water drop notch on the screen. I will bring out a dedicated camera review, including the one with Google Camera, the one used in Pixel phones ported to OnePlus 6T. It is expected to give awesome improvement over the existing stock camera. So the overall initial impression of this phone is very good. Let's see how this phone performs in the coming days. I'll be exploring this phone thoroughly and bring out more videos on this phone. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel to know all those details about this phone. Thanks for watching, goodbye and see you on the next video.